When most of us hear the word protein, we immediately picture heavy weights, giant scoops of powder, and bulging biceps. Your body relies on protein every second of the day, whether you're pushing through a workout or resting on the couch. Think of a protein like a massive toy castle. If you take that castle apart piece by piece, you will find it is actually made of tiny, individual, snap-together blocks. In biology, we call these distinct blocks amino acids. Right now, your body is constantly taking these blocks apart and snapping them back together in completely new ways to build whatever tool or tissue you need at this exact moment. So, to understand how you stay alive and functioning, we have to look past the muscle and focus entirely on these microscopic, interchangeable pieces. Even though this human body is incredibly complex, it relies on an inventory of just 20 different blocks to build every single protein you need. Your body operates like its own internal factory. It is capable of manufacturing several of these blocks completely from scratch. These are known as non-essential amino acids. But there is a catch. Your factory cannot make all of them. There are some specific blocks missing from your assembly line, which we call the essential amino acids. Since your body is entirely incapable of producing them, the only way to acquire these essential missing blocks is to bring them in from the outside, through the foods you eat. By eating, we ship in these specific missing blocks, ensuring the body's internal construction site has the materials it needs to keep building. When it comes to restocking your supply of amino acids, the grocery store offers a massive variety of options. You can gather these blocks from animal-based sources, like a butcher shop window filled with meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Or you can stock up from the plant world by eating a mix of beans, lentils, nuts, and soybeans. Once you eat, your digestive system unsnaps the food, breaking it down into loose, individual blocks. Your body then uses a chemical glue to form peptide bonds. These secure clicks lock the blocks into long, customized chains. You are quite literally deconstructing your lunch and gluing it back together to manufacture the physical matter of your own body. One of the most frequent jobs for these newly assembled chains is repairing physical wear and tear, especially after a workout. When you exercise, your muscle fibers develop tiny microscopic tears. Amino acids rush in to fill those gaps, building the muscle back stronger and preventing you from losing mass over time. Beyond building your physical frame, these same amino acid blocks also serve as your primary internal defense system. Your immune system uses amino acids to build microscopic security guards called antibodies. When a virus or infection tries to invade, these custom-built defenders block them from causing harm. Protein plays a dual role. It provides the heavy structural scaffolding for your physical form, and it acts as an active shield, protecting your daily health. Beyond physical mass and immune defense, protein also runs the hidden operations happening deep inside you. Your body uses these blocks to build enzymes. These highly specialized workers rapidly break down your food so you can extract energy from it. These same amino acid blocks are even required up in your brain, where they help produce chemicals known as neurotransmitters. These work like an internal postal service. They are chemical messengers that carry signals between your brain cells, allowing you to regulate your mood, hold on to memories, and stay focused. Your ability to think clearly, feel emotionally balanced, and generate energy relies entirely on having a steady, reliable supply of these protein building blocks. Which brings us to a critical question. What happens when your daily diet fails to deliver enough of those essential building blocks? When the supply chain runs dry, your body triggers a drastic failsafe. To survive, it begins cannibalizing its own tissues and muscles to harvest the essential blocks it desperately needs. This causes a cascading chain reaction. You will experience constant fatigue, your muscles will weaken, your hair might begin to fall out, and in children, physical growth slows to a halt. In cases of extreme, long-term starvation, this leads to a severe condition called kwashiorkor. It is as if the body's very walls are crumbling because there isn't enough structural cement to keep them standing, causing visible swelling and organ failure. Without a steady supply of protein, the body's most vital repair and defense networks begin to systematically fail. You are not a static object. You are a constantly shifting, living structure made entirely of universally adaptable, interchangeable parts. Maintaining this incredible structure is surprisingly straightforward. You simply need to consume a diverse daily mix of plant or animal proteins. By making sure you eat enough protein, you guarantee that your internal construction site stays fully stocked day in and day out. Protein provides the raw material for your physical strength, the tools for your mental clarity, and the maintenance crew that